Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming your Samsung is unlocked and the screen timeout is off so the scan won't interrupt. Open the camera app. On newer Samsung builds the QR reader is built in. Make sure QR scanning is enabled in settings. Position the QR code within the viewfinder, fill most of the frame, and hold steady. You do this because accurate framing decodes SSID and password automatically. Once done, you'll see a network prompt. If camera fails, switch to Settings Connections, Wi-Fi, and tap QR instead. Once the QR is recognized, you may see a permission dialog. Allow access to connect to Wi-Fi or to open the Wi-Fi panel. Tap the prompt that shows the SSID. Samsung then previews the network name and whether it's WPA/WPA2 or open. You should confirm the SSID matches the intended network to avoid connecting to a lookalike. After confirming, tap Connect. The phone sends the credentials. You do this because it stores a secure profile instead of exposing the password. Once connected, check Settings Connections Wi-Fi to ensure the network shows connected and an IP address. If it didn't connect, rescan the QR to avoid typos or manually add the SSID and password. Sometimes QR images are low contrast or blurred. Also make sure router uses compatible encryption. WPA2 is best, and toggle Wi-Fi or airplane mode, then retry. If persistent, reboot the phone and router. This clears caches and often resolves handshake issues that block authentication.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.